Welcome to learning fractions. Fractions are an important part of mathematics that we use every day. In this lesson, we will explore the basics of fractions and understand how to divide things into equal parts. A fraction shows a part of a whole. It represents how many equal pieces you have out of the total number of pieces. For example, if you cut a pizza into 4 equal slices and eat one slice, you have eaten 1/4 of the pizza. Fractions help us describe parts of things we see around us every day. Every fraction has two important parts. The top number is called the numerator. It tells us how many parts we are talking about or have selected. The bottom number is called the denominator. It tells us how many equal parts the whole thing is divided into. Together, these two numbers describe a fraction. Half is written as 1/2. It means dividing something into two equal parts and taking one part. The denominator is 2, showing we have two equal parts. The numerator is 1, showing we take one of those parts. If you cut a sandwich into 2 equal pieces and eat one piece, you have eaten half of the sandwich. Quarter is written as 1/4. It means dividing something into 4 equal parts and taking one part. The denominator is 4, showing we have 4 equal parts. The numerator is 1, showing we take one of those parts. If a chocolate bar is divided into 4 equal pieces and you eat one piece, you have eaten 1/4 of the chocolate bar. Third is written as 1/3. It means dividing something into 3 equal parts and taking one part. The denominator is 3, showing we have 3 equal parts. The numerator is 1, showing we take one of those parts. If a cake is cut into 3 equal pieces and you eat one piece, you have eaten 1/3 of the cake. Now let us compare these three basic fractions. Half is bigger than both quarter and third. Quarter is smaller than both half and third. Third is bigger than quarter but smaller than half. This happens because when we divide something into fewer parts, each part becomes bigger. With 2 parts, each part is bigger than with 3 or 4 parts. Let us review what we have learned. Fractions represent parts of a whole. Every fraction has a numerator on top and a denominator on the bottom. Half divides something into 2 equal parts. Quarter divides something into 4 equal parts. Third divides something into 3 equal parts. Remember, the smaller the denominator, the bigger each part becomes. Practice thinking about fractions by visualizing parts of familiar objects like pizza, chocolate, and cake.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.